Previously on Twin Brook Acres.
Well, fixing this footbridge is key to a few different projects I have to complete on my property. So there's more to do. I've got to backfill, I've got to put some more stones in. So we'll continue this in the next video. Well, job number one is to get rocks out of a big pile right in there. There are a bunch of rocks there that I piled up from my barn restoration, but it's all overgrown now, so I've got to clear all that out and get to the rocks. It's that, or there's another pile of rocks that I can work from, so I'll go check that one first. If I don't have the rocks I need there, I'll clear all this out. I'll bring you back. Ooh, that was a workout. Whew. A lot of brush clearing. Got these stones, these rocks, so that's a start. So I'll bring those over to the bridge. Whew. And see how that works. If I need more, I'll come back and get more. I'm hoping those are big enough. Some of those are pretty heavy, so I don't think they'll go anywhere. All right, let's go over to the bridge. Whew. Okay, as usual, plan A is not going to work. So plan A was to pull up at least this deck board here, maybe that one too. And then I would just drop the rocks in, put the boards back in place. But this whole rail here sets on top of that board, and a little bit on top of that board. So I really don't want to have to take all this apart to remove that board on both sides. So I'll just use the backhoe, and I'll dig this out, and then I can just roll the stones down, the rocks down under the deck. Fill that up, and then I've got to put some in here as well. So I'll get the backhoe, and I'll dig that up. Well, I didn't bother you with the backhoe work. It was all of about 30 seconds. So I've got a dugout. I think I can get the rocks down in there. So what I'm going to do is work my way from the outer end inward. I've got that slab of concrete there that might just fit in there. I think it might be a little too long, but I'll try. I'll put that in there, and then I'll work my way back. I'm back to about here. Fill all that in, and then I'll work on that side over there. So I'll bring you back. Well, I've got the middle part done here. Hard to see with the sun and the shadows. I put some rocks in there. Then those little ones right there, those are actually jammed in there good and tight. And they're helping to support the beam there a little bit. Now I jam those in from this side, and this is the way the current goes. So if anything, the strong current would probably push those in a little more, make it even a little tighter. So that part's done. Now I've got to fill this part in. So here's my base. So that'll fairly level off the ground under there. And there was a big hole. I think I had dug that out by hand. So I filled that in with some small stone and put these flat stones and these bricks over it. So now I can maybe start putting some of these larger stones in there, these rocks, and fill that up. We've got to go in quite a ways. So let's see if I can show you how far I've got to go in. Up to those rocks there. So I'll fill it in and I'll bring you back. All right, that's all done. Well, kind of. Got the big stones in there. I'm going to backfill this later. I'm going to work over here, take some of these big stones, big rocks, put them in there, go in as far as I can, and then I'll fill everything around in here with some of these smaller stones in here. And then I think I'm done. I want to clean out some debris over there and just check on that end or that side. And then it should be done. Well, I want to pick out some large rocks that little brook won't move when it becomes a raging river. I would like this one right here, and it's the perfect shape too. I can put it right in that bank. It widens up there. That would fill in that curve on the bank perfectly. But I don't think I can move that by myself. I'm here all alone. Now that weighs a lot. And I don't think I want to wrestle with that now. These rocks seem to weigh a whole lot more than they did years ago. So years ago, I would have wrestled with that rock. But I don't think I want to do that now. So I'm going to have to go to the next best thing. I've got maybe that one there. I might be able to get that. I think that's too small. I saw another one over here. Oh, there's another one, big one right in here. But that's about the size of that. Those two would be perfect. Maybe that one there. So I'm going to look around. I'll shop around, browse, figure out what I want. I found 3 rocks in the bucket there. I'm bringing them over to the bridge. But right now, it's blueberry break time. So I'll grab some blueberries. Just had to stop and grab some of these. I think what I need to do, I'm struggling with this, I think I need to go like this. That might help. here's the final piece. My artwork. So now I just need to backfill the dirt. Probably spread some grass seed right in here. I'll throw a little dirt here too. I'll bring you back. Okay, here's the big reveal. Here's the final product. Has some decent sized stones there. I think most of those will stay in place even during the times when this is a raging river. Some of the smaller rocks on top there might get dislodged. We'll see. And then I kept the dirt away from the wood here purposely. It'll probably fill in over time, but at least for now, there's no dirt up against the wood. All right, folks, that's the final product. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.